Mga kaibigan, isang magandang gabi ho sa ating lahat, especially those who are our followers in different countries, especially from the people of Italy, Bunasera. Mga kaibigan, magandang gabi ho dito sa Pilipinas. Good evening in English, mga kaibigan, and many others out there. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, mga kaibigan. As we are here today, mga kaibigan, in our live, the first live of the January 2026, mga kaibigan. So that we are here, mga kaibigan, just to continue our 10 days prayers to unless. May meaning, pakakawalan ho natin the bad energy that we have. Now we are in the 3 days, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much to all of us, especially advance happy Sabbath tomorrow. So thank you so much to all the SDE family, to all the SDE church around the world, especially for those who are celebrating a sacred Sabbath, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much about that. Especially for those people who are our followers in the different countries, especially in the people of Israel and people of Russia, China, United States of America, and many others. So thank you so much to all of us, mga kaibigan, that the strength and the power of all the things that we have is coming from the Almighty Father who art in heaven. So all of that, mga kaibigan, we don't have a right to be blamed by God. As we all know that God was created all the things that we have on this earth, mga kaibigan. This universe, this earth was created by God in order to fulfill the human civilizations, in order to understand what is the purpose of life. That's why Jesus Christ, we live as a human, even is the most powerful among us. In order to experience the human heart, mga kaibigan. So, when the Jesus Christ, as a second coming, as to the counting, kung darating may yung panahon na yan, nababalik po si Jesucristo sa sanlibutang ito, ay pang-apat na ho yun. The first coming of the Jesus, or the Father, o ang pagpunta ng Diyos dito sa lupa, the first in the Garden of Eden, mga kaibigan, di ba? In the Garden of Eden, and the second is those visitation. Even you read the Bible. And the third, in the name of Jesus Christ. So that's why we are hoping so much to the second coming of Jesus Christ. So that's why, mga kaibigan, everything of us, what we are doing in this universe, in this earth, mga kaibigan, if our bad doings before, and then we are going to change our wrongdoings before, mga kaibigan, right now, to be a good law-abiding citizens of this country. It is not all about God. It is our choice, because God, I to tell you truthfully, is a loving God. They are allowing to people na gagawa po ng masama or gagawa siya ng mabuti. So that's why God is the superpower of love. Kaya wag natin sabihin, pag tayo po'y naging mabuti na mula po sa kasamaan na mga gagawain ho ng tao, ay hindi po ibig sabihin sa Diyos yan. That is the choice of the people. That is the choice of every person in this universe, in this earth. Why? God is the superpower of loving. Siya po yung pinaka-powerful sa lahat ng pagmamahal sa mundong ibabaw na ito. That is the choice, mga kaibigan, because God given the free will to the humanity. Kaya yung iba na misinterpret po nila. Pag mula po sa kasamaan, nagiging mabuting tao ka, nagiging or mula sa kabutihan, nagiging kasamaan po ang ginagawa. Ay, it is not all about God. It is all about people. It's all about humanity, civilized. No? The civilizations at all. So, that's why mga kaibigan, wag nating sabihin na ganun, no, mga kaibigan. Kasi, if ganun ang gagawin natin, binago ako ng Diyos, ano pala ang Diyos? Nagiging tanga sa mga ginagawa ng tao? Hindi. Nakikita niya mali at mabuting gawain ng tao. That's why called a human free will. Mayroon po tayong kagawasan na gagawa tayo ng masama o gagawa tayo ng tama. Ganun po ang tao. So that's why that is all about God. So that's why mayroon, no? And as to celebrate a Trades to unless, no, papakawalan po natin yung mga mamaling gawain ho natin. Pulihan na to ugmayo. So that's why thank you so much to all of us, mga kaibigan. No, in this evening, in this universe, in this earth, what do you call it? All of that, mga kaibigan. So thank you so much, especially for those people who are listening right now.